everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing you a bedtime routine slash pamper night routine. So obviously my night routine sort of tends to be the same because I sort of like a nice routine, but sometimes on the odd occasion I like to give myself sort of a pamper night where I do some nice skincare and, you know, just sort of take care of yourself and give yourself some spare time, because, you know, some of the days can be really busy. So I thought I'd show you one of the nights where I sort of like to unwind and have some peace for myself. So I'm sort of just going to let you follow me along on my sort of night slash pamper routine. So yeah, sort of from when I get in from being out from the day, and just show you what I get up to and sort of how I go about my night. So I hope you like it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see how I spend a nice cozy pamper evening, then please keep watching. So here I am just getting in from being out from the day, just filming myself walking in the door, and I've just got into my cozy room. I love my new bedding so much, it literally gives me life, and that is a River's cot. How cute. And I am just about to do my favourite thing of the day, which is get in the shower. I love a shower, I don't know, there's just something about how it makes you feel so nice and warm and cozy. So here I am just getting in my shower, and yeah. Okay, so I'm just fresh from doing my skincare routine and I feel so nice and, you know, clean now, and I just wanted to show you guys this product that I have been absolutely loving recently. So it's not part of my obviously routine every single night, but it is part of it occasionally, and it happens to be part of it tonight, so I'm going to show you. So I have absolutely been loving this product lately. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. So obviously it is a IPL hair removal device, so it's going to remove your hair. It just does it in such a clever way, so much easier than products I have used in the past. So I've been loving it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to show you a bit how it works. So this is the device here. It is super slick and it looks really nice, and it's honestly really easy, so you can like take it anywhere with you where you're going. And it's in this really nice purple colour, and then this is the device that it plugs into. So as someone who has genuinely had issues with hair removal products in the past, such as like shaving and waxing, I've always found that they give me issues. Sometimes I get like razor bumps, which I have experienced. So I've always had like a little bit of trouble with hair removal products, but this has genuinely helped me so much, and I've not seen anything bad about it. It's just like been really good and easy to use. So this product is also CE certificate and FDA approved, which I will go into a little bit more here on the screen. I'm just going to pop up what that means so that you guys can, you know, understand how it is a really safe product to use, and it has been approved like, you know, really highly. I'm gonna get into using it. The main place I usually use it is on my legs. That's where I mostly get rid of the hairs. I don't really worry about my arms too much because it's obviously not so bad there, but I used to shave my arms, but I definitely won't be doing that anymore now that I have the Ulike Air 3. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. So as I said, this is the main, like, you know, product, and then I'm just going to plug this in quickly. So I've plugged in the device into the wall, and now I'm just going to pop it into the machine. This is the on and off switch right here, so you just press this, and as you can hear, the machine is now operating. It just is showing that it has the ice cooling feature on right now, and it's also just on level 1. So I always just put it on level 1. I recommend for anyone who's just starting using this product, maybe go for level 1 just to see how it likes with your skin and everything. But I will explain a little bit more about the ice cooling feature in a bit, because that is another really cool thing about this product. So before you are going to use the product, you are going to want to use the little razor that comes with the Ulike, and you're just going to want to shave the area that you are going to be using the IPL hair remover on, removing just what's left of the hair. I'm just going to pop it back into its case. Another really cool thing that comes with the Ulike Air 3 are these sunglasses. So it's just like a safety precaution for when you're using the IPL hair device to, you know, make sure your eyes are protected. So I'm just going to pop these on. They look very cool, as you can see. Now I'm going to start the hair removal process. So how it works is, this is a hair removal button. I'm going to place it onto like a patch of skin. I'm obviously going to do the whole of my like leg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place it down, and as you can see, that light has just come on, so that means that it's now ready to work. This ice cooling feature is another really cool thing about the product. So what it is while you're using the product, there's an ice cooling feature which makes it feel really cool on your skin, and I find that really nice because it's such a pain-free experience, and if anything, it actually feels really nice and so cool for your skin, which is always really good. So that's what I absolutely love about the ice cooling feature. So as I've said, the light is on, so now all I'm going to do is press it, And that's it, that's the hair removal started. And then I'm gonna like place it on another bit of skin, ready to go. That's another bit done. It's literally that easy. And then obviously I'm just gonna go around my whole leg. And it's literally as easy as that. I'm just going to turn this product off now. And I'm gonna take off my glasses because I am done. So my leg literally feels so nice and cool right now because of the ice cooling feature, and obviously you're going to start to see the difference within a few weeks, which I'm going to talk about a little now. So to see the genuine effects of the product, you're going to need to use it for like 1 to 3 weeks, and then you will really start to notice like how much of an effect it has, because that's how long it took for me to notice, and I genuinely have seen such a difference. So I'm going to put an example here and I'm going to show you like how drastic the difference is, and that it really does work. And there's just so many cool things about it, and like I said, my favorite thing is definitely the ice cooling feature. It's still cool like now, like it's such a nice feeling on your skin. I'm gonna link everything about it in the description also, so make sure to go check that out. But yeah, now my hair removal is done, I'm gonna get on with my evening. I've come down in the kitchen and I'm gonna make myself a nice hot chocolate, because even if it's summer, you can never beat a hot chocolate. So the best part of the day, getting in bed, I'm just getting off all my pillows because I have quite a lot, and doing some turn down service in my room, making it nice and cozy, drinking some of my hot chocolate, and if you didn't know, I was a secret gamer girl as well, and now I'm heading to bed. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said in the video, make sure to go check out Ulike, because I absolutely love their product, and like I say in all of my videos, I would never really show a product that I don't genuinely think is really good. So make sure to check out Ulike. I'm going to link everything you need to know in the description if you want to go check out their website and go and check out their product, because I think it's really cool. But I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I hope it gave you a little insight of what I get up to on a sort of night routine slash like pamper routine, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, maybe comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.